Munich, a Bavarian gem. Munich, the capital of Bavaria, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modern life. Renowned for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, vibrant beer culture, and beautiful parks, Munich offers something for everyone. Must-see attractions. Marienplatz, the heart of the city, featuring the iconic new town hall with its famous Glockenspiel. Frauenkirche. The Frauenkirche is the iconic cathedral of Munich, known for its twin towers and striking architecture. Residence. The former royal palace of the Bavarian monarchs, the residence is a complex of palaces, courtyards, and gardens. Hofbräuhaus, a historic beer hall, where you can experience traditional Bavarian culture and enjoy a hearty meal and a pint of beer. Nymphenburg Palace, a magnificent Baroque palace with beautiful gardens and stunning interiors. English Garden, a vast park perfect for picnics, cycling, and boating. BMW Museum. Explore the history of BMW and admire the latest models. Alte Pinakothek, a world-class art museum housing a vast collection of paintings from the 14th to the 18th centuries. Museums and art galleries. Deutsches Museum, one of the largest science and technology museums in the world, offering a wide range of exhibits. Alte Pinakothek, a world-class art museum with a collection of European paintings from the 14th to the 18th centuries. Neue Pinakothek. This museum houses a collection of 19th century art, including works by famous artists like Van Gogh and Monet. Pinakothek der Moderne. This museum features modern and contemporary art. Parks and outdoor spaces. English Garden. Munich, a vast park with beautiful gardens, lakes, and even a surfing wave. Olympia Park. The park built for the 1972 Olympic Games, featuring the Olympic Stadium and Olympic Tower. Viktualienmarkt, a vibrant outdoor market selling fresh produce, meat, cheese, and other delicacies. Karlsplatz, Stachus, a bustling square with shops, restaurants, and the Karl Store, a historic gate. Odeonsplatz, a beautiful square with the Theatinerkirche and the Field Marshal Hall. This is just a small selection of the many great places to see in Munich. With its rich history, beautiful architecture, and vibrant culture, Munich is a city that has something to offer everyone. Things to do. Oktoberfest. Experience the world's largest beer festival, held annually in September. Visit museums. Explore the city's numerous museums, including the Deutsches Museum and the Pinakotheken. Shop till you drop. Stroll through the elegant shopping streets of Maximilianstrasse and Kaufingerstrasse. Relax in a beer garden. Enjoy a cold beer and traditional Bavarian food in one of the city's many beer gardens. Take a day trip. Visit nearby castles, such as Neuschwanstein Castle, or explore the Bavarian Alps. Marienplatz is the heart of Munich, a bustling square surrounded by historic buildings and offering a glimpse into the city's rich history. Here are some of the highlights of Marienplatz. The new town hall, Neues Rathaus. This stunning neo-Gothic building is a major landmark of Munich. The highlight is the Glockenspiel, a mechanical clock that performs a show twice a day featuring figures reenacting historical events. The Old Town Hall, Altes Rathaus. The Old Town Hall is a Gothic building that once housed the city council. It now houses a toy museum and offers beautiful views from its tower. Mariensäule, Mary's Column. This Baroque column was erected in 1638 to celebrate the end of the 30 Years' War. It is topped by a golden statue of the Virgin Mary. Other attractions near Marienplatz. Viktualienmarkt, a lively market offering fresh produce, flowers, and local delicacies. Frauenkirche, the iconic cathedral of Munich, known for its twin towers. Karlsplatz, Stachus, a bustling square with shops, restaurants, and the Karl Store, a historic gate. Marienplatz is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Munich. Its historic charm, vibrant atmosphere, and iconic landmarks make it a truly unforgettable experience. Oktoberfest in Munich. The biggest folk festival in the world, Oktoberfest is not just a beer festival. It is an entire event that attracts millions of people from all over the world to Munich every year. It is the largest folk festival in the world, combining traditional Bavarian customs, delicious food, live music, and of course, beer. History of Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest dates back to 1810, when the people of Munich were invited to the wedding of the heir to the Bavarian throne, Ludwig Fürnders. The celebration was so popular with the townspeople that it has since become an annual event. Venue and time. Oktoberfest takes place on the Theresienwiese, a large meadow in the center of Munich. The festival usually begins in mid-September and lasts for about 2 weeks. What can you see and try at Oktoberfest? Beer tents. The main attraction of Oktoberfest are the huge beer tents where you can try different types of beer brewed especially for the festival. Each tent has its own unique atmosphere and offers live music. Traditional Bavarian food. Besides beer, Oktoberfest offers a variety of traditional Bavarian foods, such as pork knuckles, fried chicken, pretzels, and more. Parades and processions. The festival features colorful parades featuring horse-drawn carriages, bands, and traditional costumes. Rides. Oktoberfest also has a variety of rides that are suitable for both adults and children. Live music. Live music and traditional Bavarian songs are performed in beer tents and outdoor areas. Oktoberfest is a unique event that is worth visiting at least once in a lifetime. It is a great opportunity to immerse yourself in the atmosphere of Bavarian culture, try traditional food and drinks, and just have a good time. The Munich UBahn, Untergrundbahn, is a modern and efficient subway system that serves the city of Munich and its surrounding areas. It's an integral part of the city's public transportation network, offering quick and convenient access to various attractions and neighborhoods. Key features of the Munich UBahn. Extensive network. The U-Bahn network consists of 8 lines and 100 stations, covering most parts of the city. Frequent service. Trains run frequently, especially during peak hours, ensuring easy and convenient travel. Clean and modern. The U-Bahn stations and trains are well maintained and offer a comfortable travel experience. Easy to navigate. The U-Bahn system is well organized, and the stations are clearly marked. Integration with other public transport. The U-Bahn is integrated with other public transport systems, such as buses, trams, and S-Bahn trains, making it easy to get around the city. By using the Munich U-Bahn, you can easily explore the city and its attractions, saving time and effort. Munich's extensive train network. Munich Hauptbahnhof is the main railway station in Munich and one of the busiest in Germany. It serves as a major hub for both domestic and international trains. Deutsche Bahn, DB, was the primary railway operator in Germany, offering a wide range of train services to and from Munich. You can easily reach major cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Cologne by high-speed IC trains. Regional train services. S-Bahn. The S-Bahn is a suburban rail network that connects Munich with surrounding towns and cities. It's a convenient way to explore the Bavarian countryside. Regional trains. Regional trains operate on various routes within Bavaria and neighboring regions, offering scenic journeys through picturesque landscapes. By utilizing the efficient train network, you can easily explore Munich and its surrounding regions, making your trip to Bavaria even more enjoyable. Munich is famous for its beer halls, each with its own unique atmosphere and history. Here are some of the most popular ones. Hofbräuhaus Munich. One of the most famous beer halls in the world, known for its lively atmosphere and traditional Bavarian music, offers a wide variety of beers, including the iconic Hofbräu beer. Augustiner Keller. A historic beer hall with a large beer garden, known for its authentic Bavarian atmosphere and delicious food, serves Augustiner beer, one of Munich's oldest breweries. Hacker. Shore. A traditional beer hall with a long history, offers a wide range of beers, including their famous Hacker Shore beer. Paulaner. Bräuhaus. A modern beer hall with a stylish interior, serves a variety of Paulaner beers, including their famous Weissbier. White beer. Offers a diverse menu of Bavarian and international cuisine. Spatenhaus, a classic beer hall with a traditional atmosphere, serves Spaten beer, one of Munich's oldest breweries, and Lohbruck, a large beer hall with a festive atmosphere, offers a variety of Löwenbräu beers and traditional Bavarian food. These are just a few of the many beer halls in Munich. Each one offers a unique experience, so be sure to explore and find your favorite. Munich offers a delightful culinary experience, blending traditional Bavarian flavors with modern culinary trends. Here are some of the must-try dishes and where to find them. Weisswurst, white sausage, a classic Bavarian breakfast dish, typically served with sweet mustard and pretzels. Schweinsbraten, roast pork, a hearty dish of roasted pork, often served with dumplings and sauerkraut. Comments. A type of meatloaf made with pork and beef, often served with a side of mustard. Answer. A creamy cheese spread made with camembert, edamame, butter, and spices. Brieses, pretzels. Freshly baked pretzels are a popular snack in Munich. Munich also offers a diverse culinary scene, with restaurants serving everything from Italian and French cuisine to Asian fusion. You can find everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to casual street food vendors. The Munich Christmas Market, or Christkindlmarkt, is one of the most famous and beloved Christmas markets in Germany. Held annually in Marienplatz, it's a magical experience that draws visitors from all over the world. Key features of the Munich Christmas Market. Traditional crafts. You'll find a wide variety of handcrafted items, including wooden toys, Christmas ornaments, and traditional Bavarian clothing. Delicious treats. Indulge in delicious treats like roasted almonds, gingerbread, and mulled wine. Live music. Enjoy festive music performances, including traditional Bavarian bands and choirs. Nativity scenes. Admire the beautiful nativity scenes on display, some of which are quite elaborate. Christkindl. The Christkindl, a figure representing the Christ child, is a central figure at the market, welcoming visitors and spreading holiday cheer. Other Christmas markets in Munich. While Marienplatz is the main location for the Christmas market, there are other smaller markets throughout the city, each with its own unique charm. Some of the other notable Christmas markets in Munich include Mittelalterlicher Weihnachtsmarkt. This medieval Christmas market offers a glimpse into the past with its historical setting and traditional crafts. Christmas market at Viktualienmarkt. This market features a variety of food stalls, offering local delicacies and international cuisine. The Munich Christmas market is a truly magical experience that captures the essence of the holiday season. Living in Munich, a guide to Bavarian bliss. Living in Munich offers a unique blend of urban convenience and Bavarian charm. By understanding the challenges and rewards, you can make the most of your time in this beautiful city.